All right, let's dive into the incredible world of car modifications. Whether you're a seasoned gearhead or just someone who appreciates a sleek ride, customizing your car can be an exhilarating journey. It's all about making your vehicle truly yours, giving it a personality that reflects who you are. So let's break this down into two main categories: aesthetic upgrades and performance enhancements. First up, aesthetic upgrades. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. Think about it. Every time you step into your car, it should feel like a reflection of your style. One of the simplest and most impactful modifications you can make is changing out your wheels. Swapping those stock rims for something more unique can completely transform the look of your car. Whether you go for a classic 5-spoke design or something more modern with a deep dish, the right wheels can set the tone for your entire vehicle. Then there's the paint job. Maybe you've got a favorite color that just screams you. Or perhaps you want to go for something bold and eye-catching. Custom paint jobs can range from a simple color change to intricate designs and wraps that can make your car look like a work of art. And let's not forget about decals. They're a fun way to add a personal touch without committing to a full paint job. Whether it's a subtle stripe or a full-on graphic, decals can really elevate your car's appearance. Now, let's talk about lighting. Upgrading your headlights and taillights can enhance not just the aesthetic, but also the functionality of your car. LED lights are super popular right now. Bright, energy efficient, and they give your ride a modern look. And don't overlook interior lighting. Adding some ambient lights can create a vibe that makes every drive feel special, especially on those late-night cruises. All right, moving on to performance enhancements. This is where things get really exciting. If you're looking to boost your car's power, there are plenty of ways to do it. One of the most common upgrades is installing a cold air intake. This simple modification allows your engine to breathe better, which can lead to improved horsepower and torque. Plus, it often gives your engine a nice growl, making every drive feel a bit more thrilling. Next up is the exhaust system. Upgrading to a performance exhaust can not only enhance the sound of your car, but also improve its efficiency. A good exhaust system reduces back pressure, allowing your engine to expel exhaust gases more freely, which can lead to better performance. And let's be real, nothing beats the sound of a well-tuned exhaust rumbling down the street. If you're serious about performance, consider investing in a suspension upgrade. Lowering your car can improve handling and give it a more aggressive stance. Coilovers, sway bars, and strut braces are all great options that can help you achieve that perfect balance between comfort and performance. Just imagine taking those tight corners with confidence, knowing your car is hugging the road like a champ. Now, I know what you might be thinking. All this sounds great, but isn't it expensive? And yes, car modifications can add up. But remember, it's all about prioritizing what matters most to you. Start small. Maybe begin with aesthetic upgrades and see how they make you feel. Then, as you get more comfortable, you can explore performance enhancements. At the end of the day, customizing your car is about expressing yourself and enhancing your driving experience. Whether you want a head-turning showpiece or a high-performance machine, the possibilities are endless. So, grab your tools, do your research, and get ready to make your car a true reflection of you. Happy modding. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.